People, I'm back again with another video. I need to say something different when I start a video because this is what I say. I need something unique for my channel. But yeah, what's funny is I've never said this is trending UK. I might start saying that, but that's a bit cringe. We move. But yeah, before I get into this very generic trainer unboxing, I want to tell everyone, and not ask, I want to tell you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share, because not many people are doing it, man. We need a lot of people to support. We've got good numbers so far, so roughly 1,200 subscribers plus. We still need a lot of people watching the videos, man. We need hours and hours and hours and hours of watch time. We need more reach around the world. This channel has to become massive. I want to see big numbers, man. I want to see this channel become huge. Let's hope so, man. So without me waffling too much, I just want to say, I was thinking, actually now I'm going to waffle again. There's no rules. So I was thinking, I've got a lot of these trainers. As you know by the title, I don't even know why I tried to do this clickbait stuff. So I've got a lot of Air Max 97s and 98s, which I'm not too much of a fan of, but I do have a lot. And I only think I've recorded like 2 pairs of 98s for my channel. I've never done unboxings. I've only done on foots, or I may have done unboxings, never for an 87. I have a bunch of 97s. They're not my favorite Air Max. These ones, they're so old. This video is probably going to get like 5 views, not going to lie. So just very generic. They've been out for a few years. I've been seeing them. I thought, you know, why not? They go good with different, just black and white, normal black and white, casual day trainers. And before I talk too much, let's get into it, people. As always, this box, this same red box that's been on my channel hundreds of times now, literally hundreds of times. Everyone knows about this box. I want to know when they're going to actually change the box to something else so we can actually have a different box for Air Maxes. So it's the Air Max 97 and it's pretty simple, black/white, which is black and white. That's all they are, black and white Air Max 97s. UK 10 in Air Max as always. Yes, very generic trainer. This trainer, everyone knows someone who's had this trainer or has this trainer. Quite boring, but not so boring. What I actually didn't notice until I got them in hand is the bubble is like a kind of is blacked out in there, and it kind of looks like a smoky black bubble kind of thing. So first ever on my channel, Air Max 97. I'm not the biggest fan of Air Max 97s because of all the hype that came around. I used to like them back in the days, you know, the silver bullet colorway. Then the hype came and every single person wore them. Now I see the hype's kind of dying down. I've started to buy some more pairs. Let's just start from the bottom. So white sole, black Nike tick. Bubble inside is black and the bubble's actually clear so you can see the black inside. Then the midsole and obviously the sole, the whole piece is just all white. No 2 different colors, none of that stuff, just all white. White embroidered tick. That material, which I just love the noise of. Then it's got a leather layer, another leather layer, so 2 leather, 3 leather layers, and I think that third one, no, that's not leather, that's like a 3M material. Then it's got the mesh there, it's easier to tell from here. Then it's got the other 3M material, mesh, 3M, mesh again, and then 3M. So all of this does glow in the dark or light up, or whatever you want to call it. On the back it says Air Max with a pull tab. I like this, it's nice and simple. Pull tab. black brown laces, which I like. These actually lace up one more. I never lace my trainers up the top. I don't know why, it's just a thing of mine. I hate lacing all my trainers all the way up. So it's actually very easy to tell who I am if you've noticed someone walking around wearing trainers, not laced up to the top, because I hate lacing them up to the top. I think it does something to my ankle. I don't think there's a single trainer I lace up to the top, unless it's like a high-end trainer or something, like a Giuseppe. Those get laced up to the top. Most trainers take out one loop from each side and we carry on. And then it's got a little bit of, it's like a nubuck, a backing, and then another embroidered tick, another pull loop. I actually want to know who actually uses these pull loops. I don't use these. I just use a shoehorn, or I just put them on like this. Like, I just grab them and, put them on. These, if you don't put these on properly, this will bend down and it will just mess up. So if you haven't got a pair and you tie them up and you don't put them on properly, so if you don't pull them on like this, they will mess up at the back and it will be very uncomfortable and you'll ruin your trainers. So do put them on properly. Get a shoehorn from like IKEA or something for £1. Order it online. It might be just £1, £2. It's very cheap. I might even make my own shoehorns, merch time. When I get famous enough, I'll make some merch. Then it's got, black insole with the white tick. Moving on this side, it's literally the same. So literally all wrap around is just the same on both sides. The materials literally all the same. Then it does have a little tick there, which I like. I like this. I think they look quite nice from the rear view. Nice clean trainer. I think I will be buying some triple white ones, and then maybe I might just buy triple black, because for some reason I like having threes. So a lot of trainers, if I don't like the trainer, or if I do like the trainer, I just want like 3 different colorways. I don't know why, I'm a bit of a weirdo, so I might just get the all white ones. I really like the all white ones actually. There's one that's a bit creamy. Those are also kind of nice, but I want the plain white ones. I do have black and red. I do have black and white. Slightly different to these. I've got a few other pairs. They're just, kind of beaters, and that I wear a lot. Just, day to day, running to the shops and errands, etc, etc. I don't think I'll be collecting these like I'm collecting Air Max 95s. My main collection right now is Air Max 95s. I did, however, today think I might start to get some Huaraches. I'm 50-50 on those. I might just get all black ones, all white ones, and then the black and white ones, and just do it like I do here. And I think that's it. I'm going to try to calm down a bit on collecting side. I do want to obviously create content, so I need to have other ideas for content and stuff. Collecting, maybe not so much. I might just be buying random trainers, but that's just for the future. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just carry on collecting. I might collect a different type of trainers, basketball trainers, whatever. But we'll see what the future holds. But for now, I think that's enough of me waffling, because I do tend to waffle a lot in these videos, which is a bit mad. So yeah, people, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and please actually do that if you've actually made it this far, because I don't think anyone's actually made it this far. I don't know anyone who actually watches the videos to the end. Actually, I know one person, so shout out them. One of my friends. I was gonna say one of my boys. Yeah, one of my boys. He watches the videos to the end, so shout out him. He knows who he is. Anyone else who watches them to the end, shout out yourself as well. Leave a like, comment your name below or something. I'll give you a shout in the next video. I think I'm gonna start doing stuff like that. Or I'll give you a shout out on the community page, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. As always, there will be a on-foot video following this, and also posted separately. Also, press the bell icon so my notifications are on so you can see all the videos. I can't believe I'm doing this, man. People just do it, man. Just do it so I don't have to ask you, because I find it so weird asking. I'm talking to a camera. But yeah, enough of me talking nonsense. You can wait a few seconds and you can see the on foot video. And as always, take care, people.